In this question, we are given number of bicycles sold. In 2002 and 3, these many were sold, and in 3 and 4, these many were sold. Let's write it down. Now we need to find in which year there were more bicycles sold. We need to find which number is greater of these two. Now while comparing these numbers, we first check the number of digits. Here both the numbers have the same number of digits. So we compare the individual digits starting from left and going towards the right. Now the first digit, here it is 7, here it is 8. So 7 is less than 8. Since the first digit 7 is less than 8, that means this number is less than this number. So this number is greater. That is, the bicycles sold in 3 and 4 were greater than bicycles sold in 2, 3. Now we also have to find how many more. How many more were sold? Now how many more will be the difference of both these numbers? So it will be this minus this. Now to find the difference, we put these numbers one below the other, something like this. We start from the right, go towards the left. So here 0 minus 0 becomes 0, 0 minus 0 again becomes 0, and 1 minus 0 becomes 1. Now the next is 0 and 3, 0 minus 3. Now since 0 is less than 3, so this cannot happen. So it will ask help from the next digit. But the next digit is itself 0, it is broke. So it cannot ask help from him. So it will go on to the next one. Now next 8, this will reduce itself by 1, this will become 7. And then it will give help to the right digits, to the digits on the right side. Now this 0 doesn't require immediate help, so it will become 9. And this 0 requires immediate help because it is subtracting. So this 0 becomes 10. Let's look at it again. We have to do 0 minus 3, which is not possible as 0 is less than 3. So what we do is we ask help from the next digit. But the next digit is itself 0, so we cannot ask help from him. So we go on to the next one. Now this 8 will reduce itself by 1. It will become 7. And now it will give help to the right digits, to the digits on the right side. Now this 0 doesn't require immediate help. So this 0 will become 9. And this 0 requires immediate help. So this 0 will cancel out and become 10. So this will be 10 minus 3. Now 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 7 minus 7 is 0. We don't write 0 here because it is the last digit. Sorry, it is the first digit. So our subtraction is this. Now we write the commas. We put this comma below, something like this. This comma we don't require. So number of bicycles which are greater is this. 57,100 more bicycles were sold in 2003-4 as compared to 2-3.